today I will be showing you how to make a lot of these affordable, cheap, fast, economically achievable, easy Valentine's Day DIY gift ideas. So let's get started. Alright, so for our first DIY, if you guys have like a box of, chocolates or cookies, hopefully they're wrapped individually, like mine are. Well, if you have like a lot of friends or, like you're like kind of running on a budget, it's cute, right? 2 cookies, and you're also going to need, what's this called? Ribbon. Ribbon. You can use ribbon. I got this at Dollar Tree, 99 cents. This is XOXO, super cute, super chic, affordable. You can even use the box as a packaging if you want after it's empty. So, cookie, smart cookie, aren't I? Okay, so leave that aside. So this is gonna be called. Oh no, wrong. You need to flip it over. Okay. So then you need to cross it like so. Tighten it enough not to crush your cookie though. Tight enough. And then you're gonna make the bow, the knot. Look how cute that looks. Okay, so now you're gonna have to take some scissors. I accidentally dropped mine. Okay, and there you have it. Look how cute that is. It looks like it was like packaged like that, 2 cookies. You can just give it to someone like that. You can even add a tag if you want, First DIY, done. On to the next. Okay, so for the next DIY, I bought this at the 99-cent store. Only $8, guys. $8 for this. So cute. Like an idea would be like, to make strawberry with red velvet. If you're not allergic, you're the person you're giving it to not allergic, so you're good. Basically, a really nice present for like under $5. Pretty good. Recommend. Or you can make a pizza in here too. Just an idea. I'm not gonna make it, because I don't have it. But alright, on to the next. Alright, for our next DIY, you are going to need a card. I got this at Dollar Tree. Some markers, for decorating and writing. A cookie from, like, the last thing I told you. Or, like, any candy if you want to. I got some stickers that, like, when you scratch they snip. And they say Cole on them. Cute. Also some decorative stickers. So, let's get started. So, I went to the Dollar Tree, and these were 50 cents each. And this one really resonated to me because, there wasn't one that said brother, so I just got the one that said son. Anyway. Okay, it already says, you're oh so sweet and lovable. You're full of surprises. Oh, you're full of cute surprises. You're precious proof that great big joys can come in little sizes. Oh, it's supposed to rhyme. Happy Valentine's Day. Okay, so I would usually put bro, spell out bro with these stickers, but because the card says son, we're gonna go with son. Alright, so I think what would be really cool is writing to my son, to my son. Isn't that cute? We're gonna use this to like outline it. It's a Sharpie. See how I outlined it? Cute, huh? To my son. He's not my son, he's my friend, but same thing. Alright, so now we're just going to set that aside and work on the actual card. It's cute, like it looks like him now. Oh, my skin. So whenever I don't really know what to write, I always start off with stickers. So just keep on writing like some like lit stuff, like anything meaningful, Yeah, cool. I always like adding a drawing of some kind on the other side where there's text already. You know those tables that are like at what's it called? Those like really cool. Oh my god, it looks so nice on camera. I don't know what they call it. Like, it's like those 1980s or 60s places. Like, have you watched 1963, 11/22/63? That place? It's like that. Like when you get milkshakes, Ooh, that's actually okay. Well, that's what I'm trying to go for right now. Okay.
It's called a diner.
A diner. That's what I was trying to go for. I'll leave the check here because it's funny, Like, oh, check, waiter. No? Okay. Yeah. Anyway. Alright, so as you can see, I finished it. It looks pretty cool, right? That's Eduardo and that's me. We're having a milkshake, because we're friends. We're like, okay. Like, so what did you do today? I was like, okay. Anyway. Okay, so we're just gonna put that inside and it's gonna be so cute. Okay, so for this DIY, it's just like, it's not really DIY, it's an idea, So my sister wrapped these and like she used Christmas wrapping paper, and it's cute. It's a really cute occasion for Valentine's Day, and you can even use like a ribbon, you know, it's XOXO, you know, for a more like Valentine's effect, you know. So it's just ideas for what you guys could like, you know, reduce, reuse, recycle. Okay, next DIY. Not really DIY again. Alright, but it's just another idea, I guess. So I'm gonna give this jacket to my friend Allison. You can subscribe to her, I'll link her channel down below. Go follow her, guys. Subscribe. Cute, love her. Okay, shout out to Allison. So I suggest red tissue paper, going for red hues, hot pink, you got salmon, you know, you got pink, you got a light pink, and white. I suggest these colors, and it's cute. Like, look at how cute and chic that looks. Woo! Valentine's Day gift done. Alright, so another idea could be just buying candy, and you could just buy a balloon and wrap it around here and, you know, like give it to them as a present. That's just an idea, you know. It's cute. It's like basically like $3, you know, with taxes and everything, so it's pretty good. I highly suggest, recommend. Next DIY. Alright, so for this next DIY, I love this movie, highly recommend. Valentine's Day. It came out like a long time ago, but I saw this, it was at Dollar Tree, and it's like for $1, movie for $1, and like it's like super like aesthetically like nice for Valentine's Day, you know. So here it is, it's done. Let's go. Next DIY. I have another sweater. It's from my friend Carol. It's so cute. And also I have these Urban Outfitter bags. They're pink, so they go really well with Valentine's Day, right? Yeah, let's get started. So honestly, I really suggest using like recycled pink bags or anything like that you can find. They're like cute, you know, and like, you know, aesthetically nice and pleasing, you know. And like reduce, reuse, recycle. Got it. Save the earth. Okay. Last DIY. Give this a like, subscribe, thumbs up, please. Okay, next. Alright guys, so for this next DIY, you're going to need cabbage head, a bowl, chocolate syrup, a plate, kale, strawberries, wooden dowels or like bamboo sticks, and buckets. Alright, so you're first going to start off with a bowl, and you're going to fill that bowl up with some of the chocolate flavored syrup, as much needed to dunk the strawberries in there and coat them. Okay. Alright, so we're just gonna dip it in. Oof. Okay, I see you, chocolate. Give it a good swirl in there, and then just leave it on your plate, nice and rested. Alright, now we're just gonna put that in the freezer. For this DIY, I got this bucket. You could probably get something like this, like a 99-cent store or Dollar Tree. And I'm using this paint. Got it at Walmart for 50 cents. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with an I love you design. It's cute. So you're just gonna shove it in here like this, and that'll be your base. Next step. Now you're just gonna want to cover that with a piece of the kale. So cute and so fresh. Next step. Alright, so these are how the strawberries came out. They came out like kind of glazed, not really frozen. But we tried, you know, $1 budget. So now we are just going to put them on the bamboo sticks. There you go. Okay. Oh, that works better. I suggest you stick it in the tip. Nice, that's cute. So we're good for the final step. We're going to put them in here. But okay, there's one. Now we're just gonna go all around in a circle. This is so funny. You know, we have unpackaged cookies. You could like, you know, I just shove the stick in one. So we're just gonna leave it in here too. And it's gonna be so cute. Alright, so this is the finished look. I just added more kale leaves. Give me a test. Done. Welcome to your life.
What have you guys been doing, huh?
No,
I told you for a long time ago. Yeah, you come back. No. Okay, bye. Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Ahorita
thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give you a video like nice. Don't forget to give this video thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Imagine that was my ending. That's disgusting. What should I say? I hope you liked it. Hope you got some ideas and inspirations, or even for like next year, you know, be like, oh, I should do that. But you know what? It doesn't matter. You know, it doesn't have to be next year. You could just do it either like tomorrow or the day before you see this. I don't know how that's possible. Oh yeah, it doesn't have to be on Valentine's Day to express your love. You know, you can just do it any day. You know, I don't believe that does me. I hope you guys have an awesome Valentine's Day if you celebrate, or if you don't, or anti-Valentine's Day, or just like a friendship day. You know, like whatever you guys are doing. I hope you guys have an awesome day. So yeah. Like, you know what? I hope this video gets uploaded by Valentine's Day. If not, if it's the day after, then you know what? You could get a lot of stuff discounted too. So that's good. Alright, so what, for our first DIY, you're gonna have, you know, if you have any like, I don't know how to start this. Oh yeah, we got some balloons in the back. Okay. And an XOXO.